Welcome to the homework solution tutorial. This is going to be covering 3F. Here we'll be looking at question number 2. Question number 2 asks, a rock is thrown from the top of a tall building. The distance is in feet between the rock and the ground. T seconds. After it is thrown, it is given by this equation. How long will the rock be when it is thrown 370 feet from the ground? So this, when it says how long, you're solving how long right here. We're basically just solving for t. And when it says it is at 370 feet, that's when d of t, or the output, is equal to 370 feet. Okay, so set up your equation. So 370 is the output, equals to negative 16t squared minus 4t plus 382. Okay, there you go. Now you can solve. Subtract 370, subtract 370. What do you get? This equals to 0. Get you negative 16t squared minus 4t. Let's see, plus, looks like 12 here. Perfect. You can actually solve this using the quadratic equation. Okay, so A is equal to negative 16, B is equal to negative 4, and C is equal to 12. You're basically going to now solve using the quadratic equation. So here you go. I did the quadratic equation on the side. So set up the quadratic equation, plug in the values. Okay, what's inside that radical simplifies to just 28. Then I finish up my quadratic equation because I know there's two solutions, right? The plus version and the minus version. And then I get the value of t is equal to negative 1 second and t equals to 304 seconds. Please understand that t is in time. This is in time. Okay? This is negative time. You cannot have negative time. The only positive time you have is 3 divided by 4 seconds, which is 0.75 seconds. That's the only correct answer. So at this time of 0.75 seconds, it reaches this height of 370 feet above the ground. If you don't believe me, here, I graphed it on Desmos, okay? And look, the first solution was negative 1, and the other solution was 3 divided by 4, which is 0.75 seconds. Notice, we only take the positive answer, so we only take the 0.75 as the correct answer. Okay, there you go. There's no way to do 2 without solving for the quadratic equation. Okay, so you just simply have to do the quadratic equation. Look at your quadratic equation notes if you need help with it. Okay, but there you go. That is number 2.